Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore WhatsApp backup on the Honor 200 Smart. Alright, so let's begin. So I just downloaded the WhatsApp to show you how to do it. So simply open your app. In here select your language, then click on next. And also in the beginning of the video I'll tell you that to restore your WhatsApp backup you need to be logged into the same Google account on which you made the backup earlier. You need to be logged in the settings. So let me show you how to check it. Open up the settings. Just to make sure, scroll down, click on Google, and log into the account on which you made the backup. In my case, I did a backup earlier on this account, and I need to be logged into that account right now. Alright, so once it's clear, let's get back to the WhatsApp. In here, click on Agree and Continue. Also, if you don't know how to create a WhatsApp backup, on our channel there is a video where I'm showing you the whole process, so if you want, you can look for it. Alright, in here click on Allow, and now simply type your phone number. So that's what I'm going to do now. Simply type your phone number, then click on Next. This big green button right in here. And now select your verification method. In my case it's gonna be the fake call. Okay, now not the fake call, actually the automatic call, more like. Alright, now we have this contacts in media. In here click on Continue and click on Allow, Allow. And now, as you can see, we have option to restore our chats. So that's the thing we wanted to achieve. You can see when the last backup was made. You can see that it was yesterday in my case. The size of the backup and the account on which we made the backup. And now you can see that this account is the same as the one I'm currently logged in the settings. Also, if you don't restore your chats now, there's a possibility that you won't be able to do it later. You can always read it. You can read about it right in here. Alright, and now simply click on Restore. In my case it doesn't take much time because I don't have many messages. Alright, it's done. Okay, 17 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. Now click on Next. In here under the profile info simply type your name. And if you want, you can also change your profile photo by clicking on that green plus button. Then click on Next. Okay, and now as you take a look, all of the messages, including the photos and the videos, has been successfully restored into our WhatsApp. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.